Samsung Q990c. Handling this soundbar alone should be fine, but it's pretty heavy, yeah. It's brand new. Another piece of styrofoam. And this part is basically empty. Show you guys. This is just the warranty card, the user manual, and of course all the cables which is required. Yeah, this is the HDMI cable. You have a power cord, 3 power cords, 4 power cords actually, one for the soundbar, one for the subwoofer, and 2 more for the rear speakers. Yeah, and this is double side tape and the remote control, as well as a given battery. Yeah, interesting. So this box is nice, beautiful. So both of this left and right is empty cardboards. Great. So it's actually protecting those subwoofers in the middle. Yeah. And let's check this out. This oh. Alright. I'll be setting this up, as well as testing it, and as well as telling you why I buy this, even though it's 2024 now. Instead of waiting for the 99D, I bought this 99C. So thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.